Yo guys, what's going on? Eclipse or Nick here, and we're starting up the vlog, or not the vlog, but the video today out on my balcony. So I got a text from FedEx saying, oh, well, my computer is getting here today. It's out for delivery currently. It's not here yet. But I'll be getting my Naruto headband from, Amazon today as well. So I'll be opening up my Naruto headband as well. And then I'll do my PC review. I'm so excited to get... Dude, just standing on my balcony, it's freaking cold out here. But anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys when my computer gets here. And guys, where I'm at up north, it's kind of cold up here, actually. Not even gonna lie. It's like, what, 40-something degrees, like 43 degrees right now. It's pretty freaking cold out here. But, like my balcony floor down there, like, my feet are freezing. So I think I'm gonna get back inside, and I'll talk to you guys when my stuff gets here. Alright boys, my gaming computer just came in. Holy crap, guys, I am so freaking excited to open this up. And yeah, let's head into my my room, aka my recording studio, and let's open this bad boy up and get it set up. Alright guys, we are in my room getting ready to record. I have to wait for my dad, sadly, because you see, if I tried taking it out, there's like probably packing material inside the PC where I'd have to take the tempered glass off. And I don't want to mess that up, so I'll wait for my dad to do that. I also wanted to show you guys, I got a new SteelSeries mousepad, the QCK Heavy, and in a few days, like Wednesday, I should be getting my Apex 5 keyboard, which I'm really excited about. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'll talk to you guys when my dad gets home, and we unbox the PC, get it set up, and all that good stuff. Right here, we have my Naruto headband that came in. I'm just going to open this right quick and take a break from my PC. And by the way, guys, while I'm opening this, take a look here. I finally got it open to where it was a little pain in the butt. Alright, guys, let us now open my headband. Alright, so we have the headband right here and this little thing. If I can open it. I think I might wear this for the, oh, and then the Kakashi mask as well. But then, let me just open my headband. As we see right here, guys, we have the Hidden Leaf Village, or the Konoha. I think there's a little plastic piece on it. I'm going to try to take that off. Yep, the little plastic piece. So now we have our headband, and I'm going to put this on, and let's see how we look. Alright, guys, we got it all set up. It is now all plugged in. Wow. This thing looks freaking amazing. Thank you, VRLA Tech. And I believe this is the button where I could change colors, so let's press that. Yeah, I could get it like this, or I could get it like that. And there's, oh, and then I could get it to flash like that. That's pretty cool as well. Yeah, this freaking awesome. But sadly, I can't get it one color, so that's the only thing I don't really like about it. But like, oh, maybe I can. That is like solid red, green, blue. Yeah, that works actually for my setup. I could get it like a blue color. This is freaking awesome, not gonna lie. Alright guys, we finally got it set up. We have this is my wallpaper. I'm gonna change it later. I need to plug in my keyboard and mouse. And so we come down here, we have my Rogue PC. We have the blue RGB, or all RGB blue. We have 3 fans up, the 2 on top, the 1 in the back, and the 3 right there. We have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, and then we have the, I believe it's the Radeon 570. I don't know. I think it's the either the 1660 or the Ryzen, or no. I'm stupid. My bad, guys. It is the Radeon 570. But yeah, this PC looks freaking sick. Not gonna lie, don't mind the bad cable management. I'll try to get that fixed up soon. But yeah, guys, I think that'll be it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out. Also, guys, this is what it looks like. I now have the mask part on for the thing. Let me just adjust it. Now we have the mask part on and the headband. So, yeah, that's what it looks like now with the mask and the headband on, if I could get my hair out the way. Honestly, not too bad of a headband, I do have to say. This is actual real metal, though. That's really cool. And then this is like a really, like, flexible, athletic style mask. But yeah, pretty cool. But alright, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.